We're here.
Red Woozies after Blake got some lung capacity.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, officer.
Amphibious assault.
Hold on. You trying to tell me you can't swim?
Seriously, when I'm in the deep water, it panics me. Plus, I'm terrified of eels and squid and seaweed and...
Okay, dude, see, I know you're just trying to make excuses now.
Look, CJ, I need someone from outside the triad who I can trust.
Alright, so let me get this straight. You want me to swim around in dirty dock water, dodging little brown jelly beans and Vietnamese gangsters to put a bug on a boat in the harbor?
You're so negative.
Listen, when I was a kid, swimming off the Santa Maria, I once got a condom stuck to my face. Hard like that stays with you for life. Believe that.
I have a confession to make. I'm blind.
No shit.
Yeah. Although I've trained my other senses to a point where you wouldn't notice my handicap, in the water, they'd be quite useless.
Alright, Woozy, relax. Don't beat yourself up about it. Look, I'll do it. One last thing. You do know that I'm black, right? And not Chinese.
I'm blind, Carl, not stupid.
Ah!
You don't have anything to do with this.
No, not that car. Yes. My main one.
Your new ride.
My new...
The Chuff.
The Chuff. What's
Why does it
that?
have to be so foggy? I don't think I've ever played when it was foggy like this. Maybe once. And you've had this fog a couple
Oh,
times.
that's not bad. Okay, let's go straight in the make right. Yeah, I like the fog in GTA games, especially 5 when it.
Oh yeah,
it's
that looks
it's
good.
really good.
Looks very real.
What looks
This
in the
mission, I don't know if this is the one on the boat with the samurai sword. I don't think it is.
Thanks, man.
Oops.
Appreciate that.
Me and the Chuff are on the way to the
Of
docks.
course, you don't have armor. Can you stop at an ammunition or no? You have very little bullets.
I don't know. There's no ammunition in me.
How are you gonna get up? You might have to pick up something after you shoot somebody. I mean, you might not have to shoot anybody though. It might be you're planting a bug. That's one thing, folks. Get your ammo and armor in line. I forget where there's armor in this. No, I know where there is. But yeah, the ammo. This thing flips very easy.
But it's a beast.
Man, it comes, lands up. Now you're smoking.
And it doesn't matter on you. But this ride was a beast until
Get
that.
out.
I'm here.
I feel like doesn't the boat that you have to plant the bug on is anchored out at sea.
Ooh.
It is anchored out at sea.
After some, however, there were Da Nang boys. Ooh la. Ooh, 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 ooh. What was that?
I have no idea.
Swim to the tanker and get aboard. Bold.
Bleep.
I like the bleep noises.
Oh wait, now you gotta go through these rings, man. Watch your breath. Get through quick.
Uh-oh. Go! Come on!
Get it up. Up, up.
Oh, oh, oh. There. We can now resurface. I can see why I needed to swim. I can see why.
Yeah, try not to take a dive till your air is completely up. Go back up.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm waiting. fat keeps going down.
Get up there quick. Okay.
We surface, C. Come on, CJ. Oh no.
Wait.
Alright.
I can't hold it. I can't hold it.
Oh, I got the thing. I got the
Oh.
beep. That doesn't really matter because I still gotta go through there. Beep. Oh, I'm stuck on the hitbox of the rock.
Yeah.
The hitboxes are taking over. They're taking over. Who needs
Paddle. You gotta learn to hit those paddle buttons quicker. So if you see them seeing you, you gotta dive underwater. I honestly forget
There's swim
how
underwater?
to do
Is
this.
that a guy in the water?
Okay, now go to the right.
Don't.
Man, did you see him? No?
Okay, you can come back out.
Oop, mm.
As soon as they stop talking,
Shit, over there! Some guy in the water! Where'd he go? No one can hold their breath that long, man!
Get up!
There he is! He's
you're in
down
deep
there.
trouble, man.
I got it! He's over there!
You ain't catching me.
Like, you're swimming out the right where they can shoot. You try to,
Oh.
yeah, you gotta swim to that island, man. Get down, okay. Head to that boat.
He's going under!
He go under.
Don't just try to swim toward the boat. Not that boat, but the
What's
big
that?
boat.
I see him!
Oh god, this is crazy. Get under again.
Wait till my capacity's about 50. Can I shoot them? Can
No,
I
no.
Can I get on and kill them?
No.
Are you sure?
Positive, yeah. Go right to that big tanker now.
Dived again!
Swim underwater, underwater.
I see him!
Underwater only.
Oh, okay.
He was just here!
Toward the tanker. Don't go to
He's
those
on the
lights.
surface again. He's got to come up for air at some point.
I'm almost here. Must have been a seal.
Keep swimming, but don't let those lights get on you.
Do I have to like go under the lights?
No. Like, let your air get all the way up.
No, the light was about to.
Get to the edge of the boat quick.
Come on.
Let your air get all the way filled.
Okay.
Now look to the right. Okay, now wait a minute. Let your air get all the way full and then go under the ship to the other side.
Oh. Here we go.
Oh, there's a shark right there. Be careful.
I thought that was a dolphin.
Go fast as you can.
I'm going.
Fast. Now go up. Quick.
Come on.
That's it right there. Get on there. All right, hold on.
No.
Sneak to the back of the... Be quiet as possible. You got to do that sneak stuff.
You.
Oh, wait, you got a knife.
Almost killed the guy in the joint. Watch this.
Oh, you got him with the samurai. I don't think you need that
Shoot
knife.
back down and run away.
1, 2, 3.
All right, remember to sneak all the time. Do that kill from behind stuff.
Mm.
See those red dots?
Yeah.
Those are the guards. Watch out.
Come on. Hit me.
I'll hit you.
That samurai sword takes care of business.
You're done.
It's your funeral, asshole.
Maybe you should have a knife.
Oh, you think you tough?
You were saying.
Oh,
Oh!
the head chopped off. I love it.
I love it. Let's go.
Chop.
I fight till I die. Hey,
Kung Pao Fui.
Oh!
Not a
You're done.
decapitation.
Who goes there?
next time I hit.
Oh, come on. Oh,
Run!
oh,
I
yeah.
never go down, never.
I go.
Oh, you are.
Oh, start using a knife. I mean a gun. Okay, that's good. That's good. You might have to be a little careful here. Although this could be where you plant the bug. Gotta find a health somewhere on board.
Oh, here we go.
Get off the tanker and back to the... Wait, what's in there? Maybe there's health in there. But then again, maybe there's more people in there. Be nice if there's health. Maybe there's a health in here. This is a nice big room. This is a boy that needs some health.
Come on.
Jeez. Doesn't look like we're gonna get lucky. Well, you just gotta be really careful in the water.
Don't worry, all the people on the ship are dead.
It's true.
Alright? Alright, Rockstar? Does it jump?
Wait, don't jump in there because they're right there. Jump on the other side that's barren.
Alright, here.
Wait, hold on. Let me see what's going on here. Wait. You could try to jump in there. Okay, now just go under every time you see... Oh! Not yet, not yet. I think if you swim far away from those things, but not that far. Wait a minute, let me take a look. Oh, you're going toward the light. The light.
Can't I just hop on the boat and just shoot
No, it
them?
won't work.
Oh, I got an idea.
Shoot from the...
I got an idea.
We have to go back underneath, right?
Yeah, that's fine though.
Wait, so you're going to try to shoot him from...
Snipe them.
Possibility. I don't know what would happen.
Here, let's try that.
Mission may fail.
We'll be back. Okay, guys, we have a more brilliant idea than just sniping them.
Rocket launcher. There's one right there close. Try that one first.
How do I zoom in?
Wait, the one to the right. Get real close.
Say hello to my little friend.
Alright, you got one below you.
I have to watch this one. He's got the rocket launcher.
Oh no!
The blast radius. It backfired. One ship down. I got on this little island here. And I'm wiping them out.
Think you could hit that one? That's the one that killed you last time. You got it.
Yeah, baby.
No more ships.
Wait.
Are there any more ships anywhere? Oh wait,
Yeah.
is there one behind that one you blew up?
No, there's none out here. I still got one to spare. Let me go equip my...
Wait, okay. Look to your right for a minute. See that black to your left?
I can't see
Wait.
that. It's gone. Everyone's dead.
Alright, so you could just swim to the ship.
Nice.
We'll be back.
That was a great idea.
So you can see there's like dead bodies on the...
And when I blew up this one, the blast radius destroyed that light up there, so now I don't have to worry about the light. And if you want a little collectible, go under here, and you can collect the clam.
oyster.
Oyster, 1 out of 50. So that's a little fun thing you can do if you want 100%. right there. Hey, my stamina went up. Alright, so we're gonna keep the camera rolling here.
Yeah, because look.
It's because we're right here. But that light is still...
So, folks, get on that little island, preferably with a rocket launcher. That's
Yeah.
about the only... And
Or a
that is
sniper
weird.
rifle.
Yeah.
Or a rifle.
Don't forget
either.
to sneak.
Nah, I ain't sneaking.
No, you gotta sneak. It'll maybe set an alarm off or something.
Yeah.
Oh, you could use your silencer. Now that is
That is awesome.
a good idea. Shoot.
Come here. Oh.
You're like James Bond.
What? Oh.
Let's see.
Oh, let's see some. I know who you are, you murderer. You're CJ. Two guys down here, remember?
Come on.
Maybe they're not there. Yeah, they're there.
Wait, oh yeah, they're there.
You're an assassin. What do
Are
you
you,
call
an
it?
are you an assassin? Or a grocer sent
Yeah.
by other assassins?
Yeah.
Is that the... I'm gonna wipe
Yeah.
this guy out. Come on, bub.
Are you?
Come on, bub.
Yeah, that's so great.
If you can name that movie, name it in the comments down below and I'll give you a shout out. Maybe I can... Nope, wrong way. So you can
What
blow
if they're
them.
all respawned?
If that's the case, I got one rocket launcher.
Maybe just throw that light right there.
Max health.
There's still a boat over there, though, don't forget. Okay. Wait, don't worry.
Oh no, the blast. Wait, maybe?
No, don't try it.
Can I jump on you?
No, don't do it. They'll kill you fast. Just kill that light for now. That's what I think killed you. I think your own rocket launcher hit that banister and killed you.
No, it hit the boat,
Oh,
but the
okay.
blast radius. I
Can
just
you
want to...
throw a mine on there. Throw a,
Ooh, I have to jump on there though.
oh, yeah.
So I guess I'll just go over here.
Wait, but what if you got real high up on the ship? Is there anywhere on the ship you could get higher?
No.
Look back. Maybe there is. I don't know.
Oh, we're here. So, we'll be back.
Yep.
We did it. One boat alive, but who cares?
Yeah, most people don't even kill.
11,000.
Well, you could afford Zero's place. Maybe
Alright,
that's
well,
what you should do.
yeah,
now.
let's go to Zero. What's Z? What's Z?
Zero.
Oh, Zero, yeah. Hello.
Hey guys, you'd never believe what I just did.
Might want to check out there for wrecked boats and a bug. Okay, Zero time.
What I like.
What do you like? That guy's strapping. Hey, it's the people on the boat.
I love to paint you.
Army, same shirt.
Oh yeah, it was.
Don't ignore
Might want to go check back with your crew, buddy. Hey,
Bye.
give me. No, not that. I want your bike. Okay, this is Zep playing right now, but
There's a
here's...
little secret to where some free armor is. Okay, so that's your garage over there, right, folks?
Yeah.
There's your garage where you save. Go across the street,
Hit into a car.
get into a tree,
Go across.
then do this. Go onto the train tracks, right? See this brown building right here? Go down this cliff. Ah!
And right
And
right
there's
there.
your armor. Ba-ba!
That's armor.
Now can you make it up here? I don't honestly know.
Oh, you can.
Hey, where's this lead to, though?
Right back to where you... Oh.
Oh. Well, you get the idea. I think you really can't get back up that way, but maybe I'm wrong. So basically, you would just
do that. Do what he did.
you kind of go back this way to your garage. So you basically go yowza, yowza, yowza. Oops, sorry. Pervert.
How am I a pervert?
So basically, yeah, you just follow this road all the way back home. So it's a little longer trek back to your garage, but you get the idea.
You get free armor out of it. So,
Yeah.
there you go. We're about to put...
That's a pistol, but you like your silencer.
Yes. Here is...
Here it is, folks.
Zero OC.
It's a radio control store. 30 grand.
Right.
Goodbye money.
Property.
Now there's gonna be money waiting for you at this place.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta get a few things straight. Now go ahead in
Oh,
and enjoy the show.
here you go. Zero. I have a gun. What are you? What do I do?
Check the bag.
Can't go in there.
Why did we buy this again? I don't know. I thought this unlocked them. Oh, no, yeah, I thought this unlocked missions.
Whoa.
Maybe you got to get a call from him first, and he's like, "Hey, thanks for buying the play."
Oh, okay.
Maybe. I don't even know.
Oh.
Oh, wait, there it is.
Hello?
Carl, it's Zero.
Oh, hi, Z. You wasn't around when I signed the deed.
Sieges of
Yes, I know. I was on a
Ventriloquist.
dangerous reconnaissance mission, deep into enemy territory.
Yeah, right, sure, whatever you say. I should come through and have a look at the business, you know?
I was just in there.
I'll have to tidy up a bit. This place is such a mess.
Don't worry about it. I'll drop in soon.
Drop in soon. You're just there, and then Zero magically appears there.
Air raid.
Hey, what up, Z?
Nothing is up, Carl, apart from my blood pressure and the imminent collapse of my hopes and dreams.
Why?
As usual, the forces of darkness have triumphed over good. Life is nothing but misery, briefly interspersed with agony.
Homie, what you own? Whatever it is, you need to reduce the dose.
Excuse me, but I never take drugs. We all know drugs are for losers and or sex maniacs. And right now, sex is the last thing on my mind.
Thank God for that.
Berkeley is back.
Oh, Berkeley.
Yes.
Who the fuck is Berkeley?
He's just a man who wants to beat in fair competition. A man literally obsessed with revenge.
Oh, you put hands on him?
No, please. I never initiate violence.
Oh, I know. You knocked this bitch.
No. I won the prize in the science fair. First prize, that is.
And now he want to pop you? And they say gangbangers is petty and small-minded. Hey, what's that bleeping sign?
That's him. We shall fight to the end.
All right, Blake, you gotta fight Berkeley, man.
This is insanity!
All
Oh,
batteries
no.
commence fire. He's going for my transmitters. If he takes them out, I'll never be able to launch a counterattack.
No problem, man. But
I'm gonna
they're
shoot
toys.
them
They're
down.
not toys. They're just smaller.
RC controlled planes, and you got a Gatling gun.
Bogey's at 12 o'clock.
What do I shoot? Oh, B. It sounds more like a massage machine, not a minigun.
Come on.
Enjoy this. What if I shoot Zero?
RC Barons at 9 o'clock high, Carl.
Oh, I'm shooting them. yeah. This is fun.
Turn around.
They're invisible.
Oh yeah, there they come.
How many does this guy have, and who's controlling him?
Probably his employees.
How many has he bought? Okay, while we're doing this, tell the fans about that RC airfield you and me found a few years ago.
Yeah, we're just driving around and we didn't know. I mean, we didn't know about remote control stuff. You know, we kind of did, but we didn't know what RC meant at the time because it was in a park. It was in a a park.
It was by the game preserve.
Yeah,
you
like
know where all the
RC
animals are?
Yeah, RC
Airfield.
And we're like, what is that? RC. We thought it was like an airfield, you know, like real airfield.
like with real
Yeah.
planes and stuff.
And then we get down there and it was like everything was like miniature. And I'm like, wait a minute, this is like those remote controlled airplanes.
Yeah.
But we haven't been lucky enough to go when people were there, so I don't know. I'd like to go on a day when there's like tons of people doing stuff.
It was like 2016. You and me were just driving around town, going to random places we never knew existed, and we found that RC airfield.
Yeah, that was weird.
And we went there a few times after, but we haven't been there in a few years. I think 2018, 2017, 16. I don't know, but it was fun.
You were popping these guys.
This guy must be rich to afford this many RC planes.
Yeah, that's true.
They're cloning. I'm shooting one, and another one comes out. They're multiplying.
They're distracting you, yeah. There goes one low.
I'm I stay automatic. Money add, then multiply.
That signal's getting a little weaker. They must be dropping bombs when you're not looking. Like that. Although 30 seconds. What
Get
happened
it.
to Zero? He was talking to you like.
I got wanted. I'm
That's
wanted.
weird.
Transmitter! We can't lose another transmitter!
Only got 12 seconds. 2 transmitters? Uh-oh. 1 second.
Berkeley. As long as we have opposable thumbs, we will fight you. Well done, Carl.
I hope you get
Now
that
leave.
Gatling gun.
I will
Yeah.
prepare for the battles ahead. Never have so few owed so many. Too little, 3. No, that's not it. What is it? We will fight him on the beaches. Well, rooftops.
You think that's the guy's voice that does
Lester.
Lester? Yeah.
And I do not get to keep the Gatling gun.
Aw. Do one more mission with Zero because it's probably a remote control.
Right. Supply lines. Supply lines.
Hey, Z, where you at?
Go away, Carl. I'm very, very busy back here. Top secret stuff, not for your eyes. Too sensitive.
Come on, homie, where are you?
I said go away, Carl. I don't need any friends today. Thank you.
I was just here.
Then them's a pretty strong draw.
Yes, my hero. Carl, he came back and humiliated me. I shall probably turn to prostitution now, where I will be found dead and broken. I am a 28-year-old man whose landlord just helped him down from a hook from which I had been hanging from my underwear, contemplating my inadequacy for nearly 2 hours. Ow, my crack.
Look, you gotta get even, homie. What kind of weapons you got?
I've got a prototype of a miniature plane.
Well, with that plane, we gonna go humiliate Bert.
Okay, cool.
Man, this is ridiculous.
That went right up my crack.
So, I actually thought this was something different with
Berkeley
tanks.
has his sycophantic lackeys do all his deliveries. Well, we shall hit him where it hurts the most. Bring his mail order model business to its knees.
This is a
Launch the
little
Red
tricky.
Baron.
This is kind of tricky.
How do I fly?
Basically, up, down, up is... Wait, down is up?
What do I do? Crash this into it?
Yeah, or shoot. B.
Don't let him get away. Punish him for his war crimes.
There, he's dead. Next.
I just have to land. Oh, there's one right to the left. Okay, yeah, this is. Okay, I'm so. Nope.
Yowza.
Oh, I clipped it. I clipped the bottom. I barely got clipped.
Oh, there he is.
Hello.
Be careful, Carl.
Man.
That is good.
Man, that guy can take bullets.
One more to go.
That guy can take bullets. Don't. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god. These are hard to control, I remember.
Uh-oh.
Somewhere down that hill.
No,
Be
don't.
careful. Try to float casually.
Oh, here he is. Ha ha.
Hippie shopper. Oh.
Hello, and goodbye. Oh, he's shooting. No. MK.
You're killing people on the streets with an RC. Oh no, watch out, that thing will blow after a while.
Well, it should start smoking.
Oh.
That was her grandpa. She said, "Hi, Grandpa,"
Oh, man.
and I ran him down. Oh, I'm so
Well,
sorry.
you gotta try to go in a straight line.
I'm trying.
Oh, go left, okay. Try to just drive on the street. Oh
Don't
my
ta-
god, what is this?
No.
Oh, please.
Oh, he's making a loop. I can
he's
wait
coming
for him.
back.
I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
wait for him. I can wait. What
There
if
he
he can?
comes, there he comes. Well, maybe.
Yeah, he's coming. No, line it up. Line it up, up, up.
No, wait.
My humiliation
Oh, what happened?
Is complete.
Okay, time for more bad driving of the
Flying.
flying.
Like, I don't know about this going up, man. I think you should stick to the street, man, like a driving it. Like you're basically driving. Don't
Okay,
go
okay.
too high.
Well, you need to loop over and
Well, this does help. Ooh, that's some nice flying there.
there. Get him. Sorry, old man.
Almost.
Run in fear, people. The pedestrians need to leave. And so do I need to go to OC Airfield. training.
Practice.
To practice.
Oh man, come on.
Don't take. Oh,
I mean, probably it's hard for me to grasp, but how? I mean, you're going so crazy out of control. What happened?
I just move the stick simply, and
Try to keep it without drastic moves, subtle.
I am killing innocent people.
You're gonna run out of time, man. You gotta catch this guy. You're weaving. Come on, like turn right. Mission.
Holy hell!
Oh,
Holy hell! That was a feat in of itself. Give me your code. It took me. Don't enter the mission.
I know.
It took me multiple tries, but I finally.
Believe me, you did a great job.
Yeah, multiple tries. I go back. Why is there a helicopter on me?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
I got a headache just from watching that. But listen, folks, that's hard. You're going to have to just master flying that plane. Just keep doing it over and over again. You'll get the hang of that plane.
I mean,
but-
I didn't record it because I was just too into it.
Plus, we died. You died. I mean, it's too hard to tell if you were going to complete it or not.
Yeah.
The worst one, unfortunately for us, was you got all 5 of the couriers, and then the van blew up, and it blew the plane up, and it couldn't get back.
Yeah. Oh.
The cash is leaving Los Santos again.
No.
Gonna have to let this one slide, man. Got too much shit on my plate.
I don't care about the courier.
All right, so that was a heck of a day.
That was fun, and that was. I need a.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to do that ever again.
You know what? Let's.
Oh, thanks.
I'm just mad at the world.
That got the cops' attention.
My last 3 shots of an AK goes right here. See you in the next one.
Take care.